Hi guys, so today we are doing something different. I'm gonna take you along on a car camping weekend, and you're like, Brooke, wait, didn't you just get this fancy new trailer to be able to travel in? And yes, I did. But as a lot of you guys know, I'm not traveling right now for the summer in the same way that I did before because I'm volunteering at a fish hatchery. And so when I leave on my days off for like a night or two at a time, I don't take the trailer with me because I have everything set up how I want it at this site, and it's honestly just so much easier to leave it behind in car camp when I'm only going to be gone for a little bit and I don't need every single little amenity with me. Like, I don't even need to shower while I'm there. I can just like wait till I come back. So we have to though take the mattress toppers that used to be my bed in the car, put them in the car, do the whole thing. And I just got this new dash camera in the mail, and I want to be able to install it before I leave because people drive crazy nowadays. I just want to make sure it works on a trip where I'm not towing and trying to figure it out at the same time. If you've never towed a camper or anything, or just any sort of trailer before, people will whip around you and cut you off and stuff all the time. So I just feel safer having a dash cam, and they were kind enough to send it to me. So we're gonna install it together. So yeah, so let's get the car ready so we can get on the road. It's about to rain and it's already 2:15 in the afternoon. And the place I'm going is only like 2.5 hours away. But at the same time, I don't want to get on the road super late and get there at night because I haven't been there before. So let's go. I want to thank 70My for sending me their 4K A810 dash cam set. This set is a perfect starter to the dash cam world. It comes with both a front camera and a rear one. If you don't have interest in rear recording, you can also use it as an interior recorder for enhanced safety. The A810 is powered by the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 image sensor, giving this camera excellent clarity, especially in low light environments. So if you are looking for something that can work both during the day and at night, this is a great option for you. This is powered by 70my's exclusive My Color Vivid Plus image technology and IQ turning strategy for quality footage in complex lighting situations, and enhances the clarity of license plate areas in case you ever need that in the event of an accident or break-in. These cameras are also equipped with 70My Night Owl Vision, and it uses a f1.8 aperture to pull in more light to ensure a well-illuminated recording even in the dark. Smart Guardian Guard mode is powered by AI motion detection and collision detection, and gives the camera the ability to start recording with human movement around the car, and uses a built-in G sensor to detect unusual forces during parking and detect shakes or collisions to activate recording to keep you safe whether you are in the car and driving or not. As you can see, setting up this camera is super easy to do. They even provide these little sticky pads so you don't have to actually adhere the dash cam straight to your windshield. So in the event that you need to move it or you don't have it in the right spot, it's super easy to be able to move it around. As I showed in the unboxing, they give you pretty much everything that you need to be able to install this quickly and easily. You can even hardwire this in. I chose not to hardwire it into my car because it does recommend a professional install, and I do not have access to that right now, but I did use the 12 volt to be able to plug it into my power station so I can have it running all night long for parking security. At the very beginning, when you first set it up, it walks you through all of the different options. So make sure that these are right in case you need to ever use this in event of a crash to be able to have the time and date stamp right. It is just as easy to install the rear camera, so I want to go ahead and give a huge thanks to 70My for letting me try out this dash camera, and you will see here in a second how amazing the footage is. I took some great footage driving through the canyon, and as always, I will leave the link for everything down in the description and pinned in the comments. So if you want to go ahead and check out 70My and their 4K dash cams, go ahead and click the links. All right, so we just got here. We just drove through that canyon, which I think you guys were able to see super clearly. Thank you to the dash cam footage that I got. But now we're up in the trees and it's a lot cooler obviously up here. It's almost 6 o'clock actually already. So we're just gonna kind of set things up for tonight to go to bed. So I'll show you guys us just like setting up our bed situation, especially if you're new followers that you haven't seen kind of like my night routine when I'm car camping. But what I'm so excited about is the fact that because I don't have to have all my stuff in here full time, Pippa and I get to stretch out on the whole bed in the back with the seats down and not just like one little sliver on the side. So I am really excited about that part, but I'm gonna put up all the window screens and stuff and I'll show you guys that. And then I am gonna close out this vlog because I'm gonna turn off my brain and I am just gonna enjoy hearing the river or like the creek that's running through here and just have a good night. Okay. You ready? Come on. You coming? Come here. Good girl. You wanna get in? Hi. Hi. Come right here. Come right here. Sassy cat. Sassy cat. Are you happy? Are you happy, girl? Are we happy? Aww. You gonna fall asleep with me? We'll see you on the next one. Bye.